Many of you started a Shopify store and ended up without sales because most of the time everyone try out dropshipping first and major products they find out are already saturated in the market. Many dropshippers quit and burn their all budget on ads by gaining nothing in sales. But I have made $4,000 without spending a penny on ads. And all the orders are shipped from my own warehouse because dropshipping takes 10 to 14 days and customers will ask the refund straight away if order does not get delivered on the time. So first, let's get into the video to see the results and learn how you can do the same. First thing first, I built a Shopify store from scratch. If you don't know what Shopify is a platform which allows you to build a quick and easy website with drag and drop system. Shopify has 3 basic plans and you can choose the best according to your requirement. I made an account with payment gateways and put a premium theme to look my store more clean and spam free. Good product pages converts better and there is less abandoned checkout. An abandoned checkout happens when your customer leaves the website without placing the order. So after building my Shopify store and searching for some products on TikTok and AliExpress, I found some winning products on AliExpress. I took samples of products from suppliers and put them in my garage to test these products. All of the samples are packed well and I prefer to send orders in custom packaging for my customers because packaging creates a better impact of your brand. Now for me, the hard part of my business was to send the free traffic to my store. But the question is, how should I do that without ads? Because if you prefer to get free traffic, the best thing is through SEO. And new website takes time to appear in search results on Google. Writing blogs on a website helps to rank better on Google, but they takes a lot of time. I have spent hundred and thousand of dollars on my previous Shopify store, but to get the sales, advertisement is becoming expensive day by day. And for small businesses, their major spend always is related to marketing. Now I tried to do all the things free of cost. Plenty of people are using TikTok to get the free traffic to their website, and there are hundreds of videos on YouTube, but I have tried something different. The best idea in my mind was to put the product on Facebook and generate free traffic to my website from Facebook Marketplace. I did that initially. It was quite successful, but not enough to make plenty of sales because most of the customers on Facebook Marketplace would like to pick up the order from your location and they prefer to pay through cash. Second idea was to reach out influencers in my niche and ask them if they can recommend our products to their audience in exchange of free products. Ask them to review the products honestly and then recommend to their viewers. I got few influencers who was willing to do that, so I made custom design packages with their names and sent them to review for their audience. If you don't know what influencers are, they are the one who has some kind of audience related to their niche and reviews different products to let their audience know how to make best use of these products. Some of the influencers with big audience charge thousands of dollars to promote the brand products. But for me, I can only send free products because I have very less budget for marketing. Luckily that idea got clicked and I got thousands of dollars in sales through influencer marketing. I offer discounts to my existing customers for their next purchase and also discounts to leave me a review on Google and Facebook as well. Because having good reviews on Google and Facebook helps you to rank in Facebook system and on Google SEO as well. As you can see, my returning customer rate is very high. Once you offer discount to your previous customer, they are most likely to purchase because they have made the purchase already and know that you are an authentic brand. They only need a discount code and will purchase straight away. Results were amazing and I made $4,000 in sales during my first month on Shopify store. Now I plan to advertise that store by spending few bucks on Google ads and would like to order some inventory as well. Also plan to target the new visitor through email marketing because I am collecting emails as well. My store conversion rate is a bit lower because maybe some of the free traffic I am getting at that moment is not related to my niche. It will be improved by time. My store pixel have enough data of customers and through paid ads, I can make my targeting more better. So if I look sessions on my store from location wise, from Australia I have got 1087 sessions, from United States I have got 541 sessions, from France I have got 70 sessions, from UK 49 and from Germany I have got 45 sessions on my store. So major traffic source for my sessions was the direct traffic I was getting through influencers and also I was getting the free traffic from Google as well and few traffic I have got from social media as well because I have put the products on Facebook Marketplace as well. So the direct customers coming to my website through influencer marketing, through them I have made $2,436 in sales. Through search I have made $1,476 in sales and through social media I have made only $33 in sales because most of the traffic was coming from Facebook and these people were not likely to purchase. So these are few steps you can take to start your own brand today. The very first step is to find winning products which most of the time solve any problem, and these can be found on Amazon, AliExpress, and TikTok. If you put the hashtag on TikTok as Amazon finds, you will get plenty of product ideas which people are selling through dropshipping. You will get plenty of product ideas which people are selling through dropshipping. Second step is to order few samples and check the quality to make sure you will have good reviews, happy customer which will most likely to buy again, and of course you will get less refunds. Third step is to buy a domain and put your store live on Shopify. If you can buy a domain directly from Shopify, it will be good, but you can buy domain from GoDaddy and any other website. You can connect the domain with the Shopify store by going into settings and then going into domains. First of all, list few products and test them by giving free samples to your friends and influencers. Then focus on scaling once you have found a winner. And you can scale through paid ads by spending few bucks or through SEO, but to scale further, you have to make sure you have enough stock available. Fifth and last step is to calculate your expenses and always have an eye on in and out of your business. Take calculated measures regarding ads budget and outsource the basic things, including your ads as well. Last thing is providing exceptional customer service to your customers, and you can now enjoy the sales. So if you like the content, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It will help me to create more content like this. See you next week.